Good morning children. So today I am going to discuss about the topic more about plants. What is the first lesson? The first lesson is a more about plants. Okay. So more about plants. So we are knowing about the plants. What is the plant? Plant is nothing but it is giving food to us and flowers. The plants are giving flowers to us, correct or not? And one more thing, the plant is giving as a reproduction. What is the terminology? Now in our introduction I am going to say that we have the different type of plants are there. Okay, neem plant is there, lotus plant is there. So different type of plants are there or not? Okay, I'm going to discuss, I'm going to read out in your paragraph. I'll see here. So first in our lesson is the introduction is there. In that introduction what it will be? So we see many kinds of plants around us. Have you ever wondered that how do the number of plants increase? Okay, they asked one question. What they asked? Okay, again I'll read. Have you ever wondered that how do the number of plants increase? So number of plants are increasing na? See in your neighboring your houses, once you see that different plants are there. Lotus plant, as a neem plant, different fruits plants are there, flower plants are there, all plants are there or not? In these plants I am going to ask one question. See, all are growing. How increasing of a plants? One plant is one day, you know, the grass is also one of the plant, yes or no? It will grow in a villages, in some other areas, correct or not? So how the plants are growing, if any reason is there, increasing of the plants. Okay, so this is introduction. Now it is the process of reproduction by which their number increases. How the number is increasing? The number is increasing with a reproduction. What is the word? Reproduction. I'll say to you, reproduction. Reproduction. Okay, so here this is a side reading for us. Reproduction. Okay, I'll read out that. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce more of their kind. So same kind of plant is ready to produce more number. Okay, I'll say clearly, reproduction means same kind of plants producing number of plants are producing like a same color, like a robo movie. In a robo movie, what is that? One robo is a Rajnikant is a one robo, right? So one robo is producing a more robos or not in that film once you see. So one robo can produce the all robos, number of robos are there, yes or no? So how it is possible? Because of the reproduction. Same like a seed also, that is the plants also, reproduction will be there. Okay, I'll write the definition on board once you copy this one. It is a process okay, it is the process by which living organisms okay, it is the process by which living organisms produce more of their kind. Produce more of their kind. So this is called as a reproduction. So definition is reproduction. It is the process by which living organisms produce more of their kind. That is called as a reproduction. Okay na? Right. I'll go for the next one. So here the production of plants are different type of productions are there. How means simple. So plants are giving a new plants, correct? The plants are giving a new plant. How it is? By using of a seeds or otherwise stems. For example, you know rose flower. The rose flower, any seeds are there for that? Rose plant is giving any seeds? No. So rose plant is not giving any seeds to us. Then how it is possible to produce another plant? We are going to cut some stem, correct or not? If you cut the stem, then you can keep it inside of the soil. Again it will produce one more plant. So that's why that reproduction is a two types. Reproduction is a two types. So one is a seed, one is a seed, and another one is a next one body parts. Plant body parts. Anything you can, if you use the roots or seed, if you plant body parts means that is a plant body parts means stems. If you use leaves, you can use some are different type of plants are there. Yes or no? Okay, I'll read out. The most common method of a reproduction is through seeds. So most of the common thing is a seeds only. By seeds only we are trying to producing another plant. Most of the things, not every time, most. Okay, so the most common thing, the plants there are bear the flowers. Okay, the plants, how it will be? First plant is giving first flowers, right? The plant is giving flower, then after that fruit. Okay, so which turn into the fruits? The plants are first, it will giving as a flower, then after that it will become as a fruit. Okay, this is the second part. And the fruits enclose seeds that the latter grow into the new plants. The fruits are there, na? The fruits are giving a seeds again. Inside of the fruit, what is that? For example, guava is there. So you know guava. So in that guava is a plant, there is a seed is also there. You know mango. The mango, inside of the mango, what it will be? The mango is a fruit. Inside of the mango, that is a one kind of the seed is also there. If you bury inside of the soil, then again one more plant has to increase. So this is called as a reproduction. Got it, na children? So this is called as a reproduction, and reproduction from the seeds. Now I am going to discuss about the reproduction in a seeds. How seeds are going to produce a reproduction. I am going to rub this one. I will continue the reproduction in a seeds. How many types are there? Reproduction is two types. One is by seeds, or another one is a plant body parts. Now first I am going to discuss about the what is that? Reproduction from the seeds. Reproduction. Okay. What is that? From seeds. Reproduction. Why I written separately means pronunciation is easy. So reproduction, again it will produce. Okay, reproduction from seeds. Okay, I'll read out the paragraph. The most plants reproduce from seeds. So the parent plant disperses or releases. The parent plant releases. Okay, so the seeds. If the seeds land where the conditions are right, they germinate and grow into new plants. What is that? Paragraph definition and information means simple. Each and every plant is giving a new seeds, correct or not? The plants are giving seeds to us. That seeds are, we are receiving that kind of the seeds. Okay, we are buried inside of the soil. If all conditions are right, what is the all conditions are right? If it is a proper water, proper sunlight, okay, and proper soil. Soil is also not good, then it is not growing. Yes, definitely it is not growing. Correct or not? So that is the reason. And here, that is all things are right. Again, it will try to produce a new plant. If you take anything, you can see anything, any plant. First, what is the stage? The plants will grow first. The plants will grow, and first it will give a fruit. Sorry, flower it will give, right? In that flower, again after flower, it will comes to the fruit. Any fruit, either mango, just example I said, okay, the mango fruit will come. In that mango fruit, the seeds are there, yes or no? That seeds again we are right to buried inside of the soil with the right conditions. What is the right conditions? The right conditions are important, okay. The first one is a good soil. What is that? Good soil. And second condition is a water facility, or water is there. Yes or no? For example, we want to plant means we need to pour some water or not? Definitely. And third one is, so what is the next one? So what is the next one? Is a sunlight. Okay, proper sunlight. For example, I want to keep inside my room means it is not growing. Okay, correct or not? So what does it means? In our, this is a good soil and water and sunlight is there. Na? I said na. In this, I am going to say, in a reproduction, if everything is okay, for example, if I am going to just keep a seed inside of the soil, then so bird may try to just remove that soil and try to eat that kind of the seeds. Yes or no? It is possible. And next, if any heavy rain, for example, heavy rain has to come, then heavy rain will fall means then automatically the seeds will try to go. So this is also. And for example, heat, excess heat means more temperature is there. The seeds can grow? No, it is not possible to grow the seeds. Okay, na? So that is the reason. And next one, what is the next one? If we, for example, if you are going to see here in a new conditions, immature means it is not a proper seed. The seed is not a good condition. So then it is also not possible to give good. What is that? That is a another seed, another plant. Correct or not? And next one is a seeds that survive and get favorable conditions such as air, water, sunlight. What I said here, the good soil also I said, but the air is also good. Okay, so now I am going to repeat it, that is the air is also important. If air is also good, then also it will relate to air and sunlight and water and a good soil. These are all our conditions to grow the plant. Okay, and seeds can germinate, the seed can produce the plant means we need this kind of the conditions. Clear? And next one, and here growing the plant by process is called as a germination. So what we call is the all are good condition. Na? In this all good conditions can grow the plant. Then automatically what we'll say, that is called as a germination.